like to my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper ring. So let's get started. First we will take a paper and fold it in triangle. And again fold it and again fold it. Let's take a pencil and draw a petal on it. Like this way. Let's take a scissor and cut it. And the flower is ready. Here I have a small yellow circle. Let's take this. Now let's take a strip. And this is a, and we have to cut it little bit from here, like this way. So I cut it from both the side. Now let's interlock it. Press it little bit. Now here I have the glue and stick this flower. And the paper ring is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.